has some poop on the ground, and I'm like, oh my god, my husband's gonna be in the hospital now too. Why
You guys were hanging. How to pick it up.